SimpliSafe just announced a new feature. Check it out.
Introducing new Live Guard outdoor protection, only from SimpliSafe. It allows the outdoor camera to identify potential threats and then alert SimpliSafe trained security experts in real time. They can see the threat and deter the potential intruder by speaking directly to them.
Stop. This is SimpliSafe.
Now that's called Live Guard. SimpliSafe has had Live Guard for almost a year, but it was exclusive to their indoor cameras. And I got to test it last year. So here is a clip of that live test.
Hello, this is Derek with SimpliSafe Security monitoring on a recorded camera audio stream. Is everything okay?
Yes, hi, I'm just testing the system.
I'm glad to hear everything is okay, Katie. We'll disregard this alarm.
What do you think? Is this something you might want to have in a security system? Let us know in the comments.